My people, how na dey?
Melody on the beat.
Una no go believe wetin happen today. Una no go believe am. I sit down for parlour, dey press phone. I tell my babe, go cook something ma chop, I dey hungry. You know wetin she talk? She say okay. She enter kitchen. I check my time, 3:06. Okay. You know wetin happen? The babe come dey waste time. Some minutes later, I come say, wetin sup? Why my babe never finish wetin she dey cook? I say okay, I call am. Babe, she say honey. I ask am, you still dey cook? She say yes, she still dey cook. I was like, okay. I check time, 4:00. 4:00, she never cook finish. Hunger don dey kill me. I enter kitchen. Oh. Wetin I see, e shock me. Wetin I see shock me. E shock me die. I ask am, babe, where the food wey you dey cook since? He say, honey, I'm still boiling the water for rice.
Jesus!
You have murdered me. You have killed me. Hey, you're still.
Will you keep quiet?